Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to clean our mass airflow sensor. This is the mass airflow sensor. So this one is the air temp sensor. Inside here there is the airflow sensor. There's two lines inside here, so be careful, it's very tiny. So this is where the mass airflow sensor located. Here. This one. Now let's clean it. So these are the things that we need. Ta-da! Alcohol. And a spray container so that you can spray on it and clean it. So this is the reason why you need to clean your mass airflow sensor. First, sensor reading more accurate. Second, improve air-fuel ratio. Third, improve fuel economy. Fourth, restore your car performances. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.